Seems like we're here. Guys, we're here! Yes, it seems like we are here. Okay, I'm gonna get the other guys. Okay. Okay, everyone's here. From the Assassin's Creed to the Sub-Zero. To the Skyrim to the Simpsons. We have all been trained to do this battle for one good reason. Keep our ouch. Anyway, to keep our universe from getting destroyed. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. That sounds familiar. But anyway, let's go to battle. Yeah. Whoa! Seems like the battle already started. Uh-oh, seems like the other gang is here. The Anthony group. Oh, look, if it isn't the group of the losers. That sounds familiar also, but whatever. That must be where they're coming from. Huh? Where'd he go? Hey, where'd my weapon go? Ha ha ha. Hey, where you go? Whoa, where am I? Then I go. Anyway, attack! And they battled and they crashed. Until all that was remaining were only a few characters. Anthony Group, retreat! I'm from Assassin's Creed Rogue, so that means I'm working for the bad guys. So, retreat! Hold up, Rogue dude. Cool, got him. One over. Oh, time to go with them. Wait, why is Willy in here? He's supposed to be with them. Oh well, Willy go with them now. Let's go! Oh man, I failed. Oh well. Nay, wait for me. You're not supposed to have the chain. Well, the Halo Sub-Zero took my sword, so he's dead. Must get out of here. Someone will have his revenge! Oh my god, I need to go in the Anthony team. There they are. Anthony, oh there they are. I need to go to Anthony. Okay, man. We battled fairly and we won. But we lost 4 good men today. And that would be the guy who slayed Smog the Dragon. Killy, the brother of Philly. The brother of Killy. And Chief Thorin. You all battled nicely and fairly. Let's have a flashback of that. Zombie, you did good with the bombs. Oh, who's my next target? Wait, what the? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dwarves, you did good with the elves. He's dead. Assassins, you are good with aerial attacks. What's that sound? I am a Templar, so that means I must survive. I must survive. And if I don't survive, then who will save? Who will make rules and create taxes? And Connor Kenway will. Same with you, Indians. Oh my God. Blah blah blah. Whatever. Who will create taxes and just. And Minecrafters, you did great with battling normally. He's dead. And this day will be known as the greatest day, and I will name it Video Game War 1. The end.